Good morning, students. Students, in the previous class, I explained you the multiplication of fractions and we completed exercise 2A. This exercise was completed in the last class. And I also explained you this one, that is division of fractions, and I also explained you this example 8 and example 9 also, and I told you to write this division of fractions from here to here. I hope all of you have written. Students, today we will start the new exercise, division of fractions, but before starting that new exercise, one more definition you will write in your notebook, that is reciprocal of a fraction. The reciprocal of a fraction is obtained by interchanging the position of the numerator and denominator. For example, reciprocal of 2 upon 5 is 5 upon 2. You are observing that here 5 is in denominator and 2 is in numerator. When we write the reciprocal, then this denominator is written in numerator and this numerator is written in denominator. So reciprocal of 2 upon 5 is 5 upon 2. In the same way, reciprocal of 9 upon 4 is 4 upon 9. Reciprocal of 3 is to 1 upon 2. This is a mixed fraction. When we change it into improper fraction, then 2 3 just 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 upon 2. So reciprocal of this mixed fraction will be 2 upon 7. Reciprocal of 2, 2 means 2 upon 1. Then opposite of 2 upon 1 will be 1 upon 2. So reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. You will write this one definition also in your notebook. Now let us start exercise 2B, that is division of fractions. See here, this is exercise 2B. Its first question is match the fractions with their reciprocals. Here two rows are given. In first row fractions are written and in second row their reciprocals are written. We have to write the reciprocal of the given fraction. So first I have written these two rows, only first row in my register. See here, first question I have written like this: match the fractions with their reciprocals. In here, in first column I have written the fractions, then here we will write the correct reciprocal after choosing from this line. So first fraction is 1 upon 3. Its reciprocal will be, opposite of 1 upon 3 will be 3 upon 1. 3 upon 1 means 3. So it is given here. We will write here its reciprocal 3 here in front of it. Next fraction is 5 upon 6. Its reciprocal will be 6 upon 5. Here it is given 6 upon 5. So we will write here 6 upon 5. Next third one is 3 upon 1. Reciprocal of 3 upon 1 will be 1 will go in numerator and 3 will come to denominator. So 1 upon 3. It is given here. We will write it in front of this 3 upon 1. In the same way, next fraction is 5 upon 9. Its reciprocal will be 9 upon 5, which is given here. We will write here 9 upon 5. Then next is mixed number. 2 is to 1 upon 8. 8 to ja 16. 16 plus 1 17 upon 8. Its reciprocal will be 8 upon 17. We will write here 8 upon 17. Then next is 2 3 ja 6 and 1. 2 3 ja 6 plus 1 7. 7 upon 2. It will be 2 upon 7, which is given here. So its reciprocal will be written here 2 upon 7. Now second question is divide the following. So I have written all the questions in my register. I am explaining here. First part is 3 divided by 1 upon 4. Students, in the last class when I explained examples, I told you that first number we will write as it is given. It is given 3. So we will write it 3. Then change this divide into multiply. First we will write first number as it is. Then change this sign of divide into multiply. And then write the reciprocal of second number. This number is 1 upon 4. So its reciprocal will be 4 upon 1. 4 upon 1 means 4. So first I am writing 4 upon 1. Then 3 multiply 4. 3 4 ja 12. Second is 12 divided by 4 upon 9. It will be same. First we will write 12. Then change this divide into multiply. Reciprocal of 4 upon 9 is 9 upon 4. Now here you are observing that we can simplify this 4 and 12. So first we will simplify 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. Then it will be 3 into 9. 3 into 9 means 3 9 ja 27. Third one, 108 divided by 12 upon 8. So first we will write 108, then change this divide into multiply. 12 upon 8 will be written as 8 upon 12. So we can here simplify this 12 and 108 directly. We can simplify this 108 and 12 directly because 108 is divisible by 12. So 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36, 12 4 ja 48, 12 5 ja 60, 12 6 ja 72, 12 7 ja 84, 12 8 ja 96, 12 9 ja 108. 12 9 ja 108. So it is now 9 into 8. We will not write this one. Now 9 8 ja 72. Next is 10 divided by 7 is to 1 upon 8. So first we will write this 10. Then we will write this divide sign, not multiply here. First we will change this mixed number into improper fraction. 8 7 ja 56. 56 plus 1. 57 upon 8. First we have written this 10. Then this divide sign. Now change this given mixed number into improper fraction. 8 7 ja 56, 56 plus 1 57, 57 upon 8. Now we will do the same pattern. First we will write this 10. Now change this divide into multiply. It will be 8 upon 57. We have written its reciprocal. 8 upon 57. Now see here students, 57 is not divisible by 10 or 8. We cannot simplify this 57 by any number. So what we will do multiply of this 10 and 8. 10 8 ja 80 upon this 57. Now it is an improper fraction or proper fraction? It is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So we will divide this 80 by 57. See here. This 80 is divided by 57. 57 1 ja 57. 10 minus 7 3. 7 minus 5 2. 23. So we will write it 1 is to 23 upon 57. Clear? Next question. Question number 3. All the questions are of the same pattern. All sums are very easy and very small exercise. Now come to question number 3. Divide the following fractions by the given whole numbers. Again we will apply same pattern. First number will be written as it is. It will be written as 15 upon 2. Then change this divide into multiply. This time we will write reciprocal of this 100. What will be the reciprocal of 100? It will be 1 upon 100. 1 upon 100. Now, can we simplify any numbers? Yes, we can simplify this 15 and 100 by the table of 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 0. Then 5 3 ja 15. No more simplification possible. This is 3 upon 2. Multiply this 1 upon 20. Now we will multiply this 3 1 ja 3 upon 22 ja 40. Next part. First fraction is given 4 upon 3. Now change this divide into multiply. Reciprocal of 25 will be, yes, 1 upon 25. See students, tell me any number is, can we simplify any number? This is 4 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 25. We cannot simplify any number. So we will multiply it. 4 1 ja 4 upon 25 3 ja 75. Come to next. This is a mixed number. First we will change it into improper fraction. 3 3 ja 9, 9 plus 2 11. 11 upon 3. Now change this divide into multiply. Reciprocal of 44. It means 44 means 44 upon 1. So it will be 1 upon 44. Now simplify. We can simplify this 11 and 44 very easily. 11 1 ja 11, 11 4 ja 44. So 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 4. So 1 1 ja 1 upon 3 4 ja 12. Next is 2 is to 3 upon 11 divided by 6. Again this is a mixed number. We will change it into improper fraction. 11 2 ja 22. 22 plus 3 25. 25 upon 11. Divide will change into multiply. Then 6, right? The reciprocal of 6 will be 1 upon 6. Now see, we cannot simplify this 25 and 11 or this 25 or 6. We cannot simplify. So we will multiply 25 1 ja 25 upon 11 6 ja 66. Last question of this exercise. Divide the following fractions by the given fraction. See students, here first number is whole number. In this second question, we have divided the whole number by a fraction or by a mixed number. First number is whole number in all 4 parts. And second number is fraction or mixed number. Here in this question, first number is fraction or mixed number. And second number is whole number. Now in this question, no whole number is given. Both are fraction. First number, second number, both are fraction or both are mixed number. So this 3 upon 17 will be written as it is. Now change this divide into multiply. Write the reciprocal of second fraction. It will be 34 upon 9. Here both the numbers can be simplified. 17 1 ja 17, 17 2 ja 34, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. So it will be 1 into 2 upon 1 into 3. 1 upon 1 into 2 upon 3. So 2 1 ja 2 upon 3 1 ja 3. Next one, 56 upon 10 will be written as it is. 56 upon 10. Divide will change into multiply. 8 upon 5 will be written as 5 upon 8. We have written reciprocal of 8 upon 5. Now here 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 8 1 ja 8, 8 7 ja 56. So it will be 7 into 1, 2 into 1. 7 upon 2 into 1 upon 1. It will be 7 1 ja 7 upon 2. Now it is an improper fraction, because numerator is greater than denominator, we will divide this 7 by this 2, then we will get 3:1 upon 2. 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7. Now in this part both are mixed number. First we will change both mixed number into improper fraction. So 8 4 is 32, 32 plus 7, 39 upon 8. Then divided by 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7 upon 2. Here students, we have not changed this division into multiply, because first we are changing these mixed numbers into improper fraction. Now this 39 upon 8 will be written as it is. Now we will change this divide into multiply, and we will write reciprocal of 2 upon 7. Reciprocal of 7 upon 2, which is 2 upon 7. Here we have not written reciprocal, we have just changed this mixed number into improper fraction. 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7 upon 2. So we have not changed the division sign into multiply. Now we will simplify. 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8. This is 39 1 is 39 upon 4 7 is 28. It is an improper fraction. Now we will change this 39. We will divide this 39 by 28, and we will get mixed number 1:11 upon 28. Next and last part, same, both C and D are. First we will change this mixed number into improper fraction. 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 upon 4. Again divided by 3 5 is 15 or 1, 16 upon 3. Now 13 upon 4. Change this divide into multiply, then it will be 3 upon 16. No simplification possible, so we will multiply. 13 3 is 39 upon 16 4 is 64. Here we cannot simplify any number. So students, we have completed this exercise. Today we have completed one exercise in one day, because exercise is very easy and very small exercise. After this there is one more exercise 2C, which is in which exercise there are word problems. In this exercise there are word problems. We will do this exercise in the next class. We will start this exercise in the next class. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.